So I'm working with one of our members in the PBT Institute, and it's a husband and wife. The wife betrayed him over the course of their marriage. And he said, I really appreciate that she's being so honest now, and it's showing how different she is. But I'm having a really hard time hearing all this honesty. What can I do? So I suggested this. Have a before, during, and after plan. What's that? Before she's about to reveal a new bit of information, and there was a full disclosure already. This is just in her just being more authentic and more honest. Beforehand, let him know, hey, I'd like to sit down and talk about this. What do you need to do to be prepared? During, does she need to hold his hand? Look him in the eyes. What is it specifically that he needs during these kinds of reveals? And then after, what does he need? Does he need time alone? Does he need just a certain process after? So come up with your before, during, and after plan so that in this process where you see the betrayer is truly, truly changing, you are very much taking care of your needs as well. Follow for more.